web of life we're interwoven, interconnected, not alone, not broken. Each tree, a guardian, the jungle's heart. No axe shall tear what life imparts. Earth, our Bodhi tree, where wisdom grows, a sacred home where compassion flows. What is broken, let's repair. What is lost, find it with care. May all beings far and near live in safety, free from fear. From those with no legs to the two-legged kind, the four-legged, six-legged, all intertwined. Seen or unseen, on earth or in skies, may they be safe, may their spirits rise. Earth, our Bodhi tree, where wisdom grows, a sacred home where compassion flows. What is broken, let's repair. What is lost, find it with care. May all beings far and near live in safety, free from fear. Human, yakka, deva, all the same. Each holds life's sacred flame. With loving kindness, let us defend this fragile world on which we depend. No harm to rivers, no harm to trees. Let the air flow clean, let the oceans breathe. In harmony, we'll walk this path, healing earth, releasing wrath. Earth, our Bodhi tree, where life begins, a home for all through thick and thin. From jungle's heart to the heavens above, we share this world with mindful love. Earth, our Bodhi tree, may it stand forever safe by our own